Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook potato salad. So I have 1 kilo of small size of potato, and for today I'm going to be cooking the potato together with the skin. So I have washed and cleaned it nicely, and I have 1 carrot, and I also have 1 cup of frozen green peas and teaspoon of salt. These are the ingredients that we are going to be using to cook and boil the potato first, and later on we can take a look what are the other ingredients that we're going to be using for the potato salad. So first I like to start off with cutting the potato. When cutting the potato, always have a bowl of water next to you so that when we cut the potato, then we can just drop it in the bowl of water so that the potato will not oxidize so much. Cutting potato today, I'm going to cut it into bite size. Some are big, some are small. Those are smaller, I'm going to cut it into quarter, just like that. Okay. So, and immediately put it in the water, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all of this potato. Alright, done cutting the potato. Now I'm going to give it a rinse and then we can go and cook it. So we're going to put in all the potato that we cut just now. I'm going to boil the carrot together with the potato because carrot is also harder to cook. I'm going to add water. When putting in the water, just make sure that the potato is submerged in the water. I'm going to add the salt. Just give it a stir for the salt to dissolve. Switch on the heat. I'm going to bring the water to boil. Once the water boils, I'm going to continue to cook it for about 10 minutes or until the potato is soft. Cover the lid. And for the green peas, I'm going to put in for the last 2 minutes of boiling the potato because green pea they cook very fast. If we put it in too early, it might melt down to the soup. So this will be putting in later. 1 minute to go. Let's check on the potato. If we can pierce through the potato with the fork, meaning it's cooked. So now the potato is cooked. So now I'm going to put in the green peas. For green peas, right, they don't require to cook so long. Just 1 or 2 minutes will do. So I'm just going to cover the lid and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Alright, time's up. So now we're going to take the potato out from the hot water. Put it here. So I'm going to leave it here to cool down a bit while we prepare the other ingredients. These are the ingredients that we're going to mix together with the potato salad. So I have about 200 grams of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 1 cup of chopped parsley, and I have some lemon here. We're going to take a bit of lemon juice. We're going to put the mayonnaise in the mixing bowl. And put in olive oil, pepper, salt, sugar, and I'm going to squeeze half of the lemon. So we're going to put in 1 tablespoon, about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we're going to whisk it. All mix well, and we can put half of the chopped parsley in it. Can just give it a taste. It is not enough sour, so I'm going to add in a bit more lemon. Another 1 more tablespoon of lemon juice. So we're going to mix it again. Now we can just give it a taste again. Now it's perfect, delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it with the potato. You can put it bit by bit or you can put it all, but I'm just going to leave some. Just give it a mix. Oh, it looks so good. Just going to put it a bit more. Oh, it looks so good. Now you can sprinkle some more parsley. Give it a mix. All right, nice delicious potato salad is ready for your party. This kind of potato salad, right, is best served it chilled. If you can just put it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours to chill it and then serve cold. If you want to serve it for dinner, you might want to prepare it during the afternoon. So that's it. Potato salad, lovely. That's it. Just gonna take this one. Wow, so delicious. The potato is so soft and the salad dressing is creamy, a bit of sour, a bit of sweet, and the freshness of the parsley. Lovely. It's really combined so well. Very good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye-bye.